Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a product review on two products from the same company. I figured I would put them both in the same video, basically just to kill two birds with one stone, show you guys these amazing products from this amazing company. It'll just be very convenient for you. So first of all, I'm going to be putting on a face mask and just basically showing you guys how I like to use these products within my skincare routine. So really quickly, I do want to show you guys the products and then we will move on to the clay mask. So the first product is by Pureauty Naturals. It's the Natural Skin Lightening Serum with kojic acid. And that's what it looks like in the package. Aids in lightening and brightening to reveal fresher, younger looking skin. So I'm hoping it'll take care of the redness that I have and some of the sunspots and darkness I have from breakouts and pimples. Their packaging is always like really super cute. So here is the serum. And you can't really tell on the camera, but it's like a greenish tint in the bottle itself. And then one of my favorite products from them is the Nighttime Cream. Enhances the appearance of skin elasticity and firmness. This stuff is so amazing. The ingredients in this is just blows me away. That's what it looks like. It's so cute. It smells like lavender. And I know what you guys are going to say, but you don't like essential oils in your skincare. I know. But with the other ingredients in here, it way outweighs the essential oil. So, and then also with every product you get from them, you get to spin and win. So you go to spins, all one word, and then P.N.com, and then you can get like a percentage off of your purchase or a free item with your purchase. So I think that's really super cool. All right, so let's get into this mask. I am going to be using this amazing bentonite clay mask from Mary Taylor Naturals. I love this mask. And with it being so hot lately and just sweating, this is a really great mask to use to suck all of that excess oil and stuff out of your pores. And then we will go in with the skincare. I absolutely love using this tool to put on masks and to apply masks. It helps so much. Did I just stab myself in the eye with clay? Yes. Yes, I did. But like I've said, I'm real. I make mistakes. I'm not cutting that out of my video. So enjoy. Okay, so now I'm done. I'm going to let this dry, and I will be back to show you guys how I like to use these products. Okay, now that my face is like super pinched together and super tight, I'm gonna rinse this off, and then we will go and check out those new skincare products. Okay, and then once you get all of that off of your face, I recommend that you use a face wash with a salicylic acid in it to make sure to get all of that clay out of your pores that's been left behind, because let's face it, we just put dirt on our face. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that the clay mask is done and my face is washed and my eye is brutally injured from stabbing myself in the eyeball with clay, let's get into these awesome products. So first I'm going to start off with this serum, the Natural Skin Lightening Serum with kojic acid. This stuff looks super amazing. The packaging is so pretty. It's in like a cream-like consistency, which is also going to be hydrating. And then I'm just going to slap that on. And that smells good. But I looked at the ingredients, and there isn't really any fragrance in here. So it's just all natural extracts, which I absolutely love, because you guys know how I feel about fragrance. And that's one thing, is if you're using one product in your whole skincare routine that has fragrance in it, like the night cream does, that's okay. It's not completely terrible bad. It's like just making you aware of the ingredients in your products, basically. Like, look at the ingredients, see what's in there, make sure that not every single one of your products has fragrance in it, like to at least start out while you're a beginner at your skincare. So this one I'm really liking. It says use twice daily as part of your daily skincare routine. Apply a pea-sized amount, 4 quadrants of your face, and smoothen evenly across the skin. Let it absorb before you apply any creams, serums, or sunscreens. Yes, and then it says, for maximum brightening effect, apply an SPF protectant afterwards. Yay. Absolutely, yes. Okay, and then my favorite product from them is the night cream. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I just wish you guys could smell through the screen, because, oh my gosh. So it comes with this protector over top. Thank you. Always love having protectors on my creams and stuff. It's just a white cream. Smells absolutely divine. There is peony root extract, vitamin C, and lavender oil. But some of the ingredients that I'm super, super excited about that are extremely hydrating is the second ingredient, squalane. And then there is the peony root extract is really high up on the list as well. And then there's niacinamide in here, which is vitamin B3, which is super, super awesome. And then there's vitamin B5, vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin B6. This cream is just absolutely out of this world. Amazing. Yes, there is lavender essential oil in it. But you know what? For the amount of hydration that comes in this cream, I'm not mad at it. And it's lavender oil, and it's a night cream. So it's it really does. It gets me in a calm mood to be able to fall asleep very, very, very peacefully. Okay. And then, of course, I always like to put creams on the back of my hand as well, because your hands are going to age with you as well. And then I like to put it underneath my eyes, because that's what eye creams are. It's just glorified moisturizers. Sorry. And then we just rub it in and rub it in and rub it in, and oh, there we are. Bring that down to your neck. Yes. Oh my gosh. And by the way, that serum sunk into my skin so quickly. So absolutely quickly. And then so is this one. That's nice. Whew. Wow. So yeah, again, there will be a link down below, a couple of links down below to these products. And they're not like break the bank expensive at all. They're very, very reasonably priced. And that's another thing that I absolutely love about this company,
is they're not out there to drain your pockets. And that is so awesome. And then almost already, this cream is setting into my skin. And that is just great. So you're not going to feel all slimy and sticky and ugh, like a lot of creams do. And then their packaging is just absolutely fantastic as well. For the price point. That's great. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please let me know down below what you guys thought about these products. And I will see you guys in my next review video. Bye!